Are you looking? As the holiday season approaches, ceramic Christmas trees are once again stealing the spotlight. These nostalgic decorations blend timeless charm with modern flair, making them a favorite among collectors, holiday decorators, and gift givers alike. Whether you're into classic greens, vibrant pinks, or even Halloween-themed variants, there's a ceramic tree for everyone. In this guide, we evaluate each option based on build quality. List number: Hallmark Keepsake 2022 Miniature Halloween Tree, 18.75. For those who love mixing spooky season with holiday sparkle, the Hallmark Keepsake 2022 Miniature Halloween Tree is a hauntingly delightful pick. Standing at 18.75 inches, this black ceramic tree features glowing orange and purple lights, perfect for Halloween or Gothic-themed Christmas setups. It's ideal for collectors who appreciate unique seasonal crossover decorations. The detailing is exceptional, and its lightweight yet sturdy design makes it easy to place on any tabletop. While technically themed for Halloween, its LED lighting and artistic ceramic craftsmanship rival traditional Christmas trees. A great choice for fans of unconventional holiday decor and collectors of Hallmark keepsakes. Listing Milltown Merchants Ceramic Christmas Tree, 15.5 green. The Milltown Merchants Ceramic Christmas Tree is a timeless holiday centerpiece. Measuring 15.5 inches tall, it features a traditional green glaze with multicolored lights and a classic star topper. The attention to detail is superb, hand-painted with a glossy finish that beautifully reflects the tree's internal lighting. This tree brings vintage holiday vibes to life and makes a charming addition to any tabletop or mantle. It's plug-in powered, so there's no need to worry about batteries. The ceramic is solid and built to last, ensuring it can be a part of your holidays for years to come. Ideal for those seeking a nostalgic, high-quality Christmas tree at a fair price. List 3. Best Choice Products 15-inch Ceramic Christmas Tree. If you're searching for a budget-friendly, yet festive ceramic tree, the Best Choice Products 15-inch Ceramic Christmas Tree delivers. Hand-painted with a glossy green finish, this tree comes with built-in multicolored lights and a golden star topper that adds a warm glow. Its plug-in power source ensures consistent lighting, and it's compact enough for office desks, nightstands, or shelves. While not as intricately detailed as more premium options, it still captures the nostalgic spirit of mid-century Christmas decor. Ideal for those who want a quick, charming addition to their holiday display without breaking the bank. List number: Casafield Hand-Painted Ceramic Christmas Tree, pink, 15-inch. For a fresh twist on tradition, the Casafield hand-painted pink ceramic Christmas tree brings playful elegance to holiday decorating. At 15 inches, this tree is fully hand-painted with a soft pink glaze and adorned with 128 multicolor bulbs, more than most trees this size. It also includes 2 star toppers, clear and gold, giving you decorative flexibility. This tree is perfect for modern interiors, nurseries, or anyone looking to break from traditional red and green palettes. The craftsmanship feels premium, and the included lights give off a soft, ambient glow that feels both festive and chic. A perfect choice for fashion-forward decorators and pink lovers. List 5. RJ Legend Ceramic Tree, orange pumpkin head design, blending Halloween vibes with festive lighting. The RJ Legend Orange Pumpkin Head Ceramic Tree is one of the most eye-catching entries on the list. Featuring over 35 multicolor bulbs and a ceramic pumpkin topper, this tree stands out with its orange base and spooky motif. It's not your average holiday centerpiece, it's a conversation starter. Built from durable ceramic and hand-painted with care, this decoration is especially great for Halloween enthusiasts or alternative decor styles. While not ideal for traditional Christmas lovers, it's an excellent seasonal piece that doubles as fun party decor.